these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY. I'm here today to bring you all another inspiring DIY idea. Okay, so guys, we are going to make 2 DIYs on this video, and we're going to make a wall piece and 2 sconces. Okay, so we're going to use these mirror tiles, and I got these from tile-Diflart.com. And we're also going to use this mirror that I got from Goodwill. It was in a frame, but I took the frame off and I'm just going to use the mirror part of it. And we are going to use some cardboard that I got from Dollar Tree, our glue gun, glue sticks, and hopefully that'll be all. But how I'm going to hang this, y'all, it's going to be with the command strips, and I always use these command strips, and I usually use the 16-pound for them. No matter how many pounds they are, I might use 2, 3, depending on, how, heavy they are. But I always use the 16-pound. So guys, let's get into this DIY. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is take our mirror and we're going to glue it down to our cardboard. Okay, so now we're going to take our tile and we're going to border the mirror, and we're going to glue our tile down to the cardboard. Okay guys, so this is how the mirror is looking so far. So guys, we are going to go ahead with the next DIY, which will be the sconces that are going to go with this. Okay guys, for this DIY, we are going to use our mirror tile that I got from Diflart. We're going to use this beautiful candle holder that I got from Hobby Lobby. Then we're going to use our cardboard, glue gun, glue sticks, and a little bit of our tile. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and line up the mirrors on the cardboard to cut out. Okay guys, so this is how everything turned out. I do love the fact that it's a set. I love that, and it's beautiful, simple, easy, y'all, and affordable if you got these tiles, you know, but you know, because I already had them. But this is beautiful, y'all, and I love it, and I hope you do. And if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.